Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic. Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, place, or thing. Let's begin our lesson. Look at this magical tree. It's not growing fruits, it's growing describing words. These special words are called adjectives. Can you spot the words? We've got smart, curly, clean, big, tasty, and intelligent. These words tell us more about a person, place, or thing, so they are called adjectives. Now, activity time. Let's do this funny activity together. Look at these pictures. Mr. Mouse is acting out all kinds of feelings and moods. Let's match the right describing word or adjective to each picture. Are you ready, mini detectives? Picture 1. Oh look, Mr. Mouse has glasses and a book. He looks so wise. Yes, he's being smart. Picture 2. Whoa, look at those muscles. That's definitely strong. Picture 3. Uh-oh, he's frowning and steaming. He's angry. Picture 4. He's shaking with wide eyes. He must be scared. Picture 5. Mr. Mouse looks like he just saw something shocking. Yep, this is shocked. And last one, look at that big smile. He's so full of joy. He's happy. Now, look at these pairs of words. Big and small, clean and dirty. These are opposites, words that mean very different things. To compare two things, we use the are form of an adjective. Like this, a car is faster than a bicycle. James is taller than his younger sister. And the green kite is smaller than the yellow kite. Now it's time for your turn, smarties. Let's complete these fun sentences. We will fill in the blanks with ER forms of adjectives of the words. My sister is dash than my mother. My sister is younger than my mother. I am 23 years dash than my father. I am 23 years younger than my father. Le is dash than Delhi. Le is higher than Delhi. A taxi is dash than a racing car. A taxi is slower than a racing car. A knife is dash than a fork. A knife is sharper than a fork. Great job, बच्चों! आज की लर्निंग जर्नी थी फुल ऑन फन। लाइक करना ना भूलो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है लर्निंग और मस्ती। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम एक और ऑसम टॉपिक के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों, सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो।